Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is LegacyPixl and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and just kind of giving a first impressions of the Quest 3S. Just a few things to say. I was also sent this headset by Meta, but all my thoughts and opinions on this headset are entirely my own. So I guess there's these two pull tabs, so I guess we can just start off by pulling these. So first one. Hopefully that was good for you ASMR enjoyers. Oh, it's way cleaner. And now we can slide out the headset, so we can take off this little thing here. Put it off to the side. And now we have the actual box. So I guess we just pull this. Okay, presentation pop off. So we got the Quest 3S, but we'll come back to this headset in a second. These are the touch controllers, so these are the same that you get with the Quest 3. I personally really like these controllers, they feel really nice. So now let's take out the headset. This is the Quest 3S. This is honestly a lot, lighter than I thought it was going to be. It definitely feels lighter than the Index because I've been using that a lot recently. Come back to the headset in a second. Inside here, we just got a little package. So we have, oh, it's actually really nicely wrapped. Sorry, I really like the presentation of tech products in general. In here, we got, first off, we got our glasses spacer. So if you do wear glasses, you can just slap this in your headset. So then here we have the charging cable. It's just USB-C to USB-C. Last but not least, we have the good old charging brick. Let me get like everything on the table so you guys can see everything that comes in the box. That is everything that comes in the box. Rate my unboxing in the comments. Should be a 10 out of 10. I should see everyone saying 10 out of 10. That was amazing. We do have one thing that every single unboxer likes to do. And that is peels. It does look like we have some stuff in here, so let me just pull this out. Got one full, first pull. There we go. Yeah, top phone screens. And there we go, that's two. So I guess that's the unboxing side of this. Now let's jump into VR and actually check out the VR part of this headset. All right, so we are now in VR with the Quest 3S, and honestly, it looks pretty good. I hope that the mic sounds okay. Let me know how it sounds in the comment section down below. The lenses actually look pretty decent. Considering that they're Fresnel lenses, I personally am used to a Valve Index. This looks really good to me. Feels like a Quest 2 weight-wise, like the way it's distributed. Feels very similar to a Quest 3, albeit a bit lighter, and also it runs a lot better. That being said, let's jump into some Beat Saber. All right, so we're now inside of Beat Saber. Let's try some Beat Saber. It's the Quest 3 controllers, but we should be fine. So far, this is actually running really well, though. Okay, one miss is fine. Hey! That was pretty good. Honestly, that ran really well considering I'm recording at 60 FPS, 20 megabytes a second at 1080p. Not bad performance. Let's say we jump into some Bonelab now. Alright, so we are now inside of Bonelab. Just gonna play through Descend to see how it runs. Thank you. Alright, let's see if it lags. And it didn't, okay. There we go. Whee! And I guess I can share my thoughts on this headset now. Personally, I think this is a pretty solid headset. It feels like a Quest 2.5 because it's missing some of the features of the Quest 3. But I'd still say this is worth it for most people. Some of you guys are probably asking why I didn't play Batman. I'm going to make that a dedicated video. I also stream on YouTube and Twitch at twitch.tv/LegacyPixl and on this channel. So if you're interested in that, feel free to hit that subscribe button. That sounds like a really bad plug. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A bit different than what I usually make, especially with the IRL section at the beginning. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one.